Hey everyone, Chlorine King here. I'm out here. I installed the salt system probably about 6 months ago, and I'm now out here installing a heat pump. So I went to go cut all the power off, pool pumps off, but what's wrong with this picture? Salt system still has power. That is a big no-no. An electrician company came in after me and did some electrical work and wired it to its own little breaker here. Flip that breaker off, salt system off. Flip the breaker on, salt system on. This is a big no-no. You want to wire salt systems to the load side of the timer box or the filter pump relay only if you're working with automation and variable speed. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this, but don't risk blowing your salt system up by wiring it hot 24/7 because the chlorine gas can build up in the PVC and cause a kaboom. Just Google it.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and took the guesswork out of all this. This is live footage of someone who had their salt system blow up because it was installed hot 24/7. Want to piss your neighbors off? Look, she's pissed now because her house blew up. Look, you're destroying the entire neighborhood because you chose someone that didn't know how to install a salt system and wired it hot 24/7. Look, you're never riding that bike again. It's gone. So that's what happens when you install a salt system incorrectly.
So anyways, take care, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.
Don't forget to check out my friend Robert's YouTube channel, Clean Pool and Spa. Full of great information will surely help you take care of your pool. Link is below in the description.